everyone, in this video I will teach you on how to fix file not supported on CapCut. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very easy video. So let's get started right away. The reason why your file is not supported is exactly what it actually says. CapCut can't have every file, so there's only a couple of them that you can actually use. MP4, for example, is the best one. MOV is probably usable as well because that's usually how videos from iPhones are formatted. Now, head over to Google and search for Video Converter. You might also have an app for this in the App Store, but I believe some of them cost money, so let's go with a free option. I like the video one. Click on Convert Your File and upload your video. This will open v.io. You have to upload a file here, so click on Photo Library and then select your video. If you have a video that isn't supported, this process will help and it says Convert to MP4. Click on Convert and then download the file. Once it's downloaded, go back to CapCut. Now, open CapCut and click on New Project. Select the converted video from your Photos app and add it. And there you go. You've now added a video and it's supported in CapCut. So that's it. You've successfully fixed the not supported file on CapCut. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!